Okay, here's a tutorial for how to use Soundtrap. This is something we're going to be using across the school, hopefully, for the rest of this year and going into next year too. It's a really useful resource that we've got available to us now. And actually, we can make English and a whole other range of things much more interesting by using it, but we want you guys to get familiar with it. I've had a few students ask me how to use it, so I thought the best way is to make this tutorial. So, here it is. All of your stuff is on Classroom. You know that by now. You're used to that. It's about 6 weeks in. You know where your work is. So this is my Year 7 Classroom. If I click on that one, and I'll click to view the assignment so I can see the whole thing, you will know that you need to write on the document up there. It's got your name on. And as you can see here, all I've asked you to do is there's a Soundtrap link and then there's the assignment link. Okay. For this time, I'm just going to press the assignment like that. That will open up Soundtrap. And you can see that it says join now and it says login. I don't think that you need to press join now because I think you will have already joined. If you do, that's fine. There's a code, so if you just email myself or email your teacher, we'll be able to get the code to you, but you should have an account there. So if you press login, and all you need to do is press login with Google. We're a school that uses Google, you know that. Okay, you know how this bit works. And all you need to do is there at that point, you just press the login with Google bit and it will come up with the account to use. And obviously I'm using the example student one because that's the one that I've been using to make these tutorials with. And you don't need to do much more than that. You just log in like you normally do. Okay, just whilst I put Stanley for our school in there. And you know how to do this, you've seen these screens before, and you should only really need to do this once. What then happens is you're asked to put your login in, put your password in like you know to do, and you press sign in, and then it does it all. It's clever like that. That's how it works. At that point, you shouldn't encounter any problems. It should sign you in, and it'll open you up automatically to the assignment which I've made for you. Now, there's loads of stuff you can do on Soundtrap, and at this point, we're not asking you to do everything with it. We're just asking you to do something that's quite simple in English. So, up here you can see that assignment there says why should we be going to school, because that's the work I've set for you this week. All you would need to do is here press add new track, then you'd press voice and microphones, and all you'd do is you would start recording something. Alright, when that's recorded, okay, it will ask you to do everything with you, you just press save. When that's done, me as your teacher, I can see the work that you've done. You don't need to share it with me in any way, okay, because I've set this work up for you so you can see that already. If you want to see the other work that you might have been set from other subjects, that top left button I just clicked, that's your home. And you can see here there are two different projects that I've set up for my Year 7s, and both of them should be able to see this. Okay, one says why should we be going to school, one says example student podcast. Alright, I can return to those and change them. Any edits you make, I can see too. So you don't need to submit that to Google Classroom, you just need to save it and I can see your work. If you're unsure about anything, just ask myself or ask your teacher and we'll try and work it out for you. It's a great resource. We want to use it over and over and over, and we want you to be really comfortable with it. All right? So good luck with it, and do email if you have any problems. Thank you very much.